Hello students, welcome to Eduauraa. I'm your chemistry teacher. My name is Shweta. Household methods. So students, how do you know about the impurities, or how can you see the impurities which are dissolved in the tap water? There's a very basic experiment that you can do right at your home. Take a small quantity of tap water in a watch glass. Keep the watch glass on the beaker which is completely filled with water and heat the beaker. The water on watch glass will evaporate on heating. Let it cool for some time. When the watch glass is seen in light, you can see small concentric rings of solid matter. These are the deposits of dissolved salts which are left after evaporation of tap water. That is how you know that there are dissolved salts in the tap water. In our daily households, we boil water. Why do we do that, students? We boil water because it kills most of the microorganisms. So, we can kill the microorganisms just by boiling the water. To do so, first filter or decant the water and then bring it to a rolling, bubbling boil. Simply steaming water is not boiled. For 1 minute at low altitude and for at least 3 minutes at altitudes above 2000 meters. Boiled water may lack taste. This problem can be solved by vigorously shaking the water to reoxygenate it or by adding a little salt. Water purifier. Students, at our houses we have RO systems, water purifiers, because of which the physical and chemical impurities are removed from water. The tap water is attached to the purifier, so the tap water passes through the purifier. How is the water purified, students? The purifier have certain filters called candle filters and ion exchangers which help to retain the impurities in water. Next method of purification is chlorination. Chlorination is a very simple and effective way to disinfect water to make it drinkable. For this, we can use liquid chlorine or we can use chlorine tablets. So students, when you go for a swim in the swimming pool, you can see that the taste of water is a slight different. Why? Because it contains chlorine in it. And what is the purpose of this chlorine? The purpose of this chlorine is to kill the bacteria and microorganisms present in the water in the swimming pool. How is the water purified using chlorine? It comprises of introducing chlorinated products into the water to kill the microorganisms contained in it. After the products have acted for around 30 minutes, the water will be drinkable. Muddy water can also be made drinkable in this way. If the treatment is done properly, all of the pathogens are eliminated. Chlorination has a durable and long-term effect. Next method is filtration. It is easy to filter water using the cloth. In the given diagram, you can see a cloth which is tied to the mouth of a pot and water is passed through this filter, that is nothing but the cloth. But students, in this, the size of the pores of the cloth plays an important role. What if the size of the pores of the filter, that is the cloth, is too big? The solid impurities will not be retained. What if the pores are very small? Then it will take longer for the purification process to take place.